Welcome everybody, my name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another fun cocktails. This time, it's gonna be 2 of them. Yep, we are almost in the summer, you guys. We start getting really nice and hot temperatures. People start going out, this is awesome. We start seeing the daylight. And remembering that, I mean, we're really close to the Del Mar racetrack. And the racetrack season is about to start, so I love that. That's one of my favorite things to do here in San Diego. But let's remember that this June 5th, the Belmont Stakes is going to have one of the main races. And because of that, today we're going to be thinking about, the Kentucky Derby and the Belmont Stakes. So we're going to be making a variation of a summer cocktail, which is going to be the cherry mint julep. And also we're going to make the Belmont Jewel. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how we're going to be pouring these two. All right, you guys. So for all of you guys that are not familiar with racetrack season, well, remember that the famous Triple Crown involves the 3 main locations where they have these amazing races: the Kentucky Derby, the Preakness Stakes, and the Belmont Stakes. That's going to be the one that is coming over on June 5th. And obviously, in order to that, we're going to be obviously making the famous the Belmont Jewel, which it is the official cocktail for the race. So how are we going to start doing this, guys? Well, let's start with something a little bit with the modeling. Let's start using our Buffalo Trace, and we're going to do the cherry mint julep. Let's start pouring our mint julep, guys. So we're going to start making this guy with 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace. Let's get around 6 or 7 mint leaves. And let's go for 3/4 of simple syrup. But having a little twist and a little variation, let's put like around 4 to 5 cherries in there. It's okay, you can leave them inside with the pit. By the time that we actually model everything, the pit is going to come off and we're going to do a double strain. So let's start modeling these guys very well. That's just pretty tasty. Let's put some ice and let's give it a good shake. All right, let's get our glass. Let's fill it up with ice. Let's make a double strain. And we're gonna garnish this guy with a nice mint bush. And a cherry. Fire number 1. Fire number 2. Let's get the Belmont Jewel. So we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. So we're supposed to have some lemonade, but I mean, what is exactly lemonade? Well, basically 3/4 of lemon and 1/4 of lime juice and a little bit of water. But we're gonna improvise here. So we're gonna get some lemon juice, and let's get 1.5 ounces. By 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And let's give it a nice shake. Oopsie, I forgot the pomegranate. We're gonna put 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. Production is on top of it today. Thank you, production. what I will do, what I will be without the production. Right, production? All right. Start getting ice in order for a cocktail. Get another string to it. Fast. Let's garnish this guy with some thin lemon wheels on the side. And a cool lemon twist. Okay, you guys, so we're ready for the races. Here you got it. The Belmont Jewel and the cherry mint julep. Happy summer, everybody. And remember, don't drink and drive. And don't forget to subscribe